Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm bringing another idea to the table. This time centered around a simple spark plug, which will serve as a key component in the custom welding tool I'm building. Let's get right into it. Next, I've got a box full of rivets here. I'm picking one at random, and this little piece is going to become the homemade welding tip for the setup. The placement is straightforward. The head of the rivet will be fitted into the inner core of the spark plug. But before locking it in, we need to sharpen the tip of the rivet's body, making sure it delivers a clean, precise contact when the tool comes to life. Right here, I've got a single core wire that will carry power to the welding tip. The first step is simple. Connect one end of the wire directly to the tip we just made. The other end will be fitted with an alligator clip, giving us a quick and clean way to hook up the power whenever we're ready to put this tool to work. To secure the rivet head firmly inside the spark plug body, I'm using a rivet gun. Give it a steady, controlled squeeze, just enough for the rivet head to expand and lock itself in place. Don't overdo it. If you press too hard, the whole rivet shaft might pop out, and that's the last thing we want at this stage. While welding, there's no way we can hold the spark plug body with bare hands. It's hot and unsafe. So I'm adding a short section of plastic tubing to serve as a handle. But before locking the handle in place, I need to secure the wire first. I'll take some electrical tape and fasten part of the wire along the spark plug body. Then keep wrapping it until everything fits tightly inside the plastic tube. The goal is a firm, clean hold, not too loose, not overly compressed. Once that's done, we'll have a solid, reliable grip ready for use. To finish things off, I'll add a small drop of liquid glue onto the tape section. Not too much, just enough to help the tape bond firmly to the inside of the plastic tube. Once it sets, the handle becomes solid and stable. And this is the alligator clip I mentioned earlier. It's a small, simple piece, but it plays a key role in making the power connection clean and reliable for our homemade welding setup. This is just a connector for the positive side of the power source. To complete the circuit, you'll need another wire with alligator clips on both ends to hook up to the negative side. That way, we have a full, safe, and convenient setup ready for our homemade welding tip. The power source for this homemade welding setup is a small battery, carefully chosen with the right specifications. compact and convenient, yet powerful enough to keep the welding tip running steadily without underpowering or overloading it. When the two terminals touch and produce heat, that's our first sign of success. The setup is working. Next, I'll run two small examples so you can accurately assess the performance of this mini homemade welding tool. Stick around until the end to see it in action. The two small tests were a complete success, proving that this mini homemade welding tool works reliably. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any upcoming projects.